Hello, and welcome to Chem 111 for an experiment of simple and fractional distillation discussion for Jeffrey Bradbury's class. My name is Andrew Salazar, and I'm working with
Morika Chang.
And this is our discussion about the lab that we performed and how we came about our results. The purpose of distillation is to separate one liquid substance from a solution of multiple substances. Here?
There is a difference between the simple fractional distillation. Fractional distillation is more efficient, and it has a distillation column which allows multiple simple distillation inside it that can purify more ethanol than the simple distillation. And as a result, we can see a jump in temperature of the boiling point for the fractional distillation graph.
Water and alcohol do not boil at the same temperature. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius while alcohol boils at 78 degrees Celsius. This is due to water being more polar than ethanol when you're comparing the hydrogen bonds on the oxygen atom.
Only the ethanol will evaporate at 78 degrees Celsius, while the water is not. The vapor will get condensed and drop back into the solution, while the ethanol will evaporate out of solution, become the distillate. This is how we can separate ethanol from water.
There is a limit to the purity of the distillate because even though the mixture will boil during the liquid phase at one specific point, it will also reach the boiling point at a vapor phase when it is pure to a certain extent for the mole ratio. Even with fractional distillation performing multiple simple distillation, which would go from the liquid phase to the vapor phase, making it purer and purer, there is a limit that it will reach.
In order to have the distillation work, we need at least two substances that they have to have different boiling point, and one substance has to be soluble in the other substance.
Overall, this video report was able to discuss how we were able to use distillation to separate a substance A from a solution mixture of two or more substances depending on the solution total mixtures.
In this experiment, we do both distillations, both simple and fractional, and that we can do the comparison and know that which one is more efficient. And as a result, we know that the fractional distillation is more efficient in separation of ethanol.
This was only possible because alcohol and, more specifically ethanol, and water have different boiling points, which was explained earlier why they had different boiling points due to their polarities being different.
But still, there is a limit to the purity of the distillation, as we have explained earlier.
Thank you for taking your time to listen to our video. Hopefully in the near future you'll be able to visit our videos again and learn some more of our different types of laboratories and our reports. Thank you once again.